Dragons whisper stories the winds dare not repeat. A boy who once sought solace now commands defeat. They called me a dreamer, a fool with no claim, but I've forged my destiny, and I've claimed my name. Berg turned its back when I spoke the truth. A heretic's tongue is a noose for youth. Their blades carve silence where my heart should reside, but a dragon's roar became my guide. Banished and broken, I wandered alone. In the wild I found a kingdom unknown. Toothless and I, two shadows cast, why building a world where the outcasts abide? They laughed at the boy who saw hope in flame, but dragons remember and foil forgets no name. From the embers I rise, a tempest untamed. The sky bows before me, the earth bears my flame. A dragon's cry heralds the fall of the past, for the legacy of Berk shall burn at last.
Hiccup, you're more ruthless than you realize.
Our chief's son rejected, a madman at best, a traitor they said, for daring to test. But who are the mad when the skies take form, and the beasts they fear are the eye of the storm? Now they'll see the cost of denying my plea. The ashes of Berk will call out to me. For peace was my dream, but war is my art, and vengeance is sweet when it fuels the heart. The outcast returns with the dragon's might. What they called a weakness now takes flight. From the embers I rise, a tempest untamed. The sky bows before me, the earth bears my flame. A dragon's cry heralds the fall of the past, for the legacy of Berk shall burn at last.
Don't worry, bud. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you. I promise.
Oh, Father, can you see what your son became? A bridge once built, now consumed in flame. The lessons you taught, the legacy you prized, turn to ash beneath these dragon skies.
He's not dangerous. They killed hundreds of us, and we've killed thousands of them.
I begged for peace. They answered with disdain. Now their screams compose my refrain. Each house that falls, each name erased, reminds the world I'm no disgrace. What is a hero but a villain's resolve? A question the flames cannot absolve. They built their walls on fear and lies. Now watch as their kingdom dies.
Show them what you got, bud.
From the embers I rise, a tempest untamed. The sky bows before me, the earth bears my flame. A dragon's cry heralds the fall of the past, for the legacy of Berk shall burn at last.
Now you get it? This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty.
The wind will howl, but they'll curse my They called you perfect, called me weak.
They gave you scorn, gave me their praise.
Now watch as Burke burns in the wake of what their children became.
Golden child with axe in hand, defending ways you'll never understand. These dragons broke our ancient code when you chose to let them roam.
The future calls beyond their fears while you're stuck in your father's years. My dragons bring a brand new way as your perfect world decays. Children of Burke now torn apart,
Laid against
my dragon's heart. The perfect child and village shame. Now watch our world go up in flames. Your precious traditions hold you back while I soar free upon the black. The runt they scorn now rules the skies as your perfect world dies.
you betrayed everything we stood for, or release the beast we're fighting for. The warrior's path stays true and strong while your mercy leads us wrong. They trained me to be everything.
They taught me I was nothing.
Now look what their pride has brought.
See what their shame has wrought. Two children of the Viking way now bring their world to end. Children of Burke now torn apart.
I steal against
My dragons are the perfect child and village shame. Now dance in glory's flame. I'll defend our ways till death. I'll show them all what change brings.
when Burke's children finally break. Watch what vengeance makes us take. Little girl with golden braids, trained to be the perfect blade, till something in me slipped that day, when I saw them fly away. Always knew my path was clear. Kill the beast we're meant to fear. Then he showed me something more, and that's when my spirit tore. Watching him soar through the night made me question wrong from right, till my axe found different prey. I saw toothless there. Now I'll finish what I promised, while Hiccup watches in despair. The golden child lost her way when dragons taught her how to fly. Now she hunts both beast and rider, till all their dreams of peace will die. Dragon killer, dragon slayer, that's what they all train. Now I hunt dragon savior, till no hope remains. The perfect warrior they created has learned a darker flight. Now watch me burn their world of peace, till dragons bleed tonight. How to train your dragon? No. How to make them fall? The perfect Viking